Hello teacher, I am Antony Cardenas. I'm going to present my last assessment for dynamic leadership. I want to begin with what I learned throughout the course. Um, Institutional leadership taught me the importance of the adaptability where I can assess and also respond to the needs for my team members depending on the context. Um, Also, the servant leadership has given me the idea that the leadership was about serving and others, prioritizing their needs and providing and support the environment. It is giving me an idea about the power such as referent power, the culture intelligence, recognize the importance of understanding of the respecting diverse cultural backgrounds within the team. The communication is key, and when working with a diverse team, respect and values is the key. The self-awareness is a crucial for a leader as it allows me to recognize and manage my own emotions, ensuring that I maintain composure during challenging situations. The self-management involves the ability to control the impulsive feelings and my behaviors. I generally maintain the calm. There are moments when I internally stress can cloud my judgment and or affect my decision making process. The self-management is the authenticity, is being genuine and transparent with others about my feelings and beliefs. I plan to work on being more on open and honest my communications, which support my leadership skills. In the genius assessment was eye-opening for me, relieving my own strengths and the weakness as a leader, uh, uncovering aspects I wasn't previously aware of. I scored well in the self-awareness and emotional reasoning and the positive uh, influence, uh, indicating a strong ability to recognize the understand my own emotions and how they can impact my thoughts, behaviors, and leadership style. Some areas for improvement is one of them is authenticity. I need to work on being more genuine and transparent in my communications to build trust and credibility. And the self-management, I realized that I need to improve in my self-management. I possess emotional triggers such as anxiety, stress, reject to be in heavily affecting my decisions and mood, awareness of others. I have scored less in awareness of others, which suggests that I require strategies to comprehend emotion of others before dealing with situations. In the second part, I will be speak two scenarios of the AI that I will need to in the future. Dealing with the team conflicts is the first scenario. In the future, I realize there may be conflicts within my team. For example, a scenario where two team members are at each other for a business idea. One member wants to implement it, but the other rejects it. developing the EI, managing my own emotions by remaining calm is like a self-management, and creating an environment where both members feel heard and respect. This is awareness of others. The balance emotionals is the practical consideration. This is like emotional and reasoning. They guide the conversation toward a resolution, and the alleged team goals while also addressing the underlying emotions and concern is like authenticity. I'm certain that the conflict will be upon an application of the EI principles. The second scenario is leading a diverse team. The second future scenario I may face may be working with a diverse team. In this context, the team motivation will be a crucial for the project success. I will need to elaborate to understanding of the emotional theories and inspire of the team, developing AI and CQ, understanding and respecting the diverse cultural background of my members. It is a cultural intelligence like a CQ. Understanding the diverse background of the emotional needs. The team members will help me associate with them. This is a social awareness. By using referent power, I need to gain their trust and respect. In this way, we can share knowledge and have a collaborative atmosphere. This is like a team dynamics. Finally, the third point is planning my path ahead. I had gained like a knowledge throughout the course of dynamic leadership, and the following are the theories and aspects I want to implement in my future. Mm, my goal is focus on improving my emotional intelligence, particularly in the areas where I scored lower in the genius assessment, such as authenticity, self-management, and awareness of others. Um, Throughout my score in self-awareness was high, I plan to learn more and enhance this aspect, as this is the key in aspect to improve my other I aspects. I will to integrate the leadership theories covered in the subject into the future work job role. Thank you, teacher. This was my presentation. Thank you for your time.